Okay. Oh my god. Hey guys, it's Jacob. Welcome back. So as you can tell, I've already got my base done, and that's because I'm testing out a new foundation. You guys would have probably already seen that by now. I just want to point out a lot of this stuff has been sent to me in PR, and obviously I'm not going to be able to get around to using everything, but I'm going to use as much as I can. Pretty much going to be like a full face of first impressions because I haven't tried any of this stuff before. I might have swatched it, but that's about it. But once again, you know, I'm just opening a new brow pencil, don't mind me. Swatches don't actually give you an accurate representation of how the product's gonna perform on the face, you know? So I've got a bunch of shit here from Astrology. I've got some stuff from Glam Reader, which is Australia's first stockist of Wet n Wild, which is very exciting. I've got some brand new lashes from my boo Nikia, oh fuck, upside down. From my boo Nikia, aka Nikia Joy Cosmetics. I can't wait to give these like a. And I've also got some shit from Mecca. This is the new Mecca Max Banana Bake powder. Why the fuck is there a security tag on this? I didn't steal this, I was sent this in PR. Oh, okay, it's actually ripping off like the, anyway. This is the Banana Bake Skin Filter Loose Powder. It corrects, gives you a filter for the Insta Glam. And essentially, it's just a fucking translucent loose powder. So, let's go ahead. Oh, she yellow. Shit. Ooh, I think the lighting is a little too bright. I hope you can see it though. It is literally yellow, like fucking banana yellow, hun. Speaking of Mecca, are you guys going to Mecca Land? I'm going to their like PR event like the day before, which is on the Thursday. So I don't know if I'm gonna be going on the actual weekend, but I'm fucking excited for Mecca Land, like hell yeah. I'm gonna use the Banana Bake blurring setting spray, bitch. I'm just gonna spray my beauty blender a little bit with that way it grips the powder a little bit better. Oh, that smells really nice. Guys, this is so finely milled. Okay. Oh my god. So I did pop a little bit of Tarte Shape Tape in light medium on top of my eyelids, just like whatever was left over on my beauty blender. And now I want to go in with the Astrology Neutralized Nude Eyeshadow Palette. Now when I first saw this, it kind of reminds me of Soft Glam meets Huda Beauty Rose Gold. Right? And like, I'm not complaining because like the colors are gorgeous, but like, I'm just saying. Watch Astrology never sponsor me ever again. So as you can tell, I've already swatched a few of the shades, and from what I can already tell, the mattes are so soft. Oh, what the fuck do I even want to do? Hold on, I haven't planned this out. Let's go ahead and dip into this one here. Now, there is some kick up, definitely, when you first dip your brush into it. So I'm just gonna take that shade through the crease and just kind of blend up and out a little bit. So I think I want to go in with this dark eggplant kind of shade, and I'm just going to grab that on the tip of my MAC 217 brush. You can use the same brush that you used previously, just load it right onto the tip. This is a Zoeva 228 on this outer part here. The one thing that I love about this palette as well is that it's so affordable and it's like available to everyone, basically. Like, it's so easy to get in Priceline. I'm not sure if like it's sold out or if it's been released, but I'm pretty sure if Astrology is sending it to me, then it means it's released. Yeah, that's really pretty. These shimmers, they feel a bit weird. Like, they're super, super pigmented, but they feel kind of dry at the same time. So I'm not too sure how they're gonna go on the lid, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna grab this brush by Alized. This is like a, I don't know, it's just like another brush brand, but I really, really like their brushes. They're so, so soft and they're not too dense. So they pick up the perfect amount of product, I find. Like, they're so good. Are there names for these shades? Oh, okay, there is. So I'm gonna grab the shade Mecca, this kind of burnt orange shade. And I'm gonna pat this right in the middle here. Wow, that color is beautiful. Honestly, guys, not much fallout either, which is very, very, like, unknown for a color like this. I think I want to go in with Salted Caramel, which is this shimmer here. I'm gonna pop this in this part of the lid. Not the highlight part, just like the inner third. All right, so I'm pretty happy with how this is looking at the moment. I'm gonna go ahead and sweep off the bake. This is like a Royal Langanical brush. I always get questions as to what this brush is because I use it so often. I got it in like a huge brush set years ago and I just love it so much. Honestly, guys, there is no fallout. There is barely any fallout at all. Now I'm just gonna grab that MAC 217 brush and dip back into that first shade that we used. And I'm gonna use this just to smudge under my lower lash line. I'm going back in with that first brush we used. I'm just gonna smoke that out and just blend it. And if I'm honest guys, the lid shades, you can probably pop them on with your finger. Just saying. Okay, so this part you do need a small brush. I am gonna grab this it's kind of like a, it's white. It's a fucking white shade. And I'm just gonna use this to highlight the brow bone, but also to kind of just clean up the shape a little bit more. So I'm gonna kind of drag it down. I'm now gonna dust off that brush that we used, dip into the darker purple shade, and I'm gonna smudge this right on the outer third. If I'm honest, I do wanna add a little bit of black just in like this corner, just to kind of ground the look a little bit more. So I'm gonna take that same 217 brush and I'm gonna dip into the black a couple times, just to coat the bristles a little bit. Tap off the excess, and then I'm gonna dip once into the eggplant shade, just so that way we're slowly deepening up this outer corner. And then grabbing a little bit of the black on that smaller brush and just kind of smudging it slightly on my lower lash line. All right, so I'm just gonna curl my lashes and pop some mascara on real quick. Okay, so I've got two pairs of lashes here that I want to use. So first of all, how gorgeous is this packaging? It's like the NARS packaging where it's like that soft matte card, and then it has some information on the back. Then there is a keepsake box, which I freaking love. So this is the style Anna, and I don't know if I want to use Anna or Madeleine. Madeleine look freaking gorgeous. I honestly, like, I need these in my life. I think I want to try Madeleine on first. These are pretty. Okay, wait, let's try the other ones. Oh, yes. Yes, these are lashes that I needed. Thank you. So I'm gonna go in with the Nakia Joy Cosmetics Anna Lash. Oh, these lashes are everything. All right, so I'm moving on to brows. I'm gonna use my Benefit Precise my brow pencil, and then I will be right back. Okay, brows are on, they're large and in charge. We're gonna roll with it. Okay, so I do wanna pop some liner in my waterline just because I feel like I need to open up my eyes just a little bit more. So I'm gonna grab the Cargo Cosmetics Swimmables Eye Pencil in Secret Beach. Alright, so I've got some new cheek products I want to give a go. I've got the Wet n Wild bronzer in Ticket to Brazil. I'm gonna grab that brush that we used to dust off the bake, and oh, this looks like it has shimmer. Oh fuck, this has shimmer. Alright, whatever, let's just give it a go. I'm gonna pop some on my brush. Oh nah, nope, So this has a lot of shimmer in it, so I'm just gonna press back over the top with my beauty blender and pray that it does something. I just realized I got this L'Oreal package. I've had this for ages, I haven't used it. They've got some new liners and brow pencil? Brow pomade? And we also have a new mascara. I should have used this. Fuck. Okay, wow, L'Oreal, really? I see you with the little brush on the top and you screw it off and you got the pomade on the bottom. I see you, L'Oreal. So here are the two eyeliners. First of all, the packaging is kind of everything. Like, it's rose gold. I mean, what the fuck is that? Oh, wow. Okay, it's a Kajal liner. So it's literally, like, that's weird. Do you wind this down? Nope, okay. That's really odd. I've never seen a pencil like that, but it's hella black though. And I guess this is the white version? It is. Ooh, she white. Let's pop some of this on. First of all, this is already so much more comfortable than using a pencil, like an actual traditional pencil one, because 9 times out of 10, the wood from the pencil is gonna hit your tear ducts, like hit your waterline, and that kills. Oh, wow. Oh, that was amazing. Okay, L'Oreal, I approve. I think I'll give the mascara and the brow pomade another go in another video. Because yeah, I actually don't have any new bronzer products, so I'm just gonna go back in with my ABH Saddle bronzer and just warm up my cheeks a little. That's a lot. Holy fuck. Okay, now I feel like this looks a little bit too highlight contoury. I'm not liking it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab that same brush and I'm gonna go in with my MAC NC35 Studio Fix powder. I don't have much left of this at all. And I'm gonna swirl in and I'm just going to go over the top of everything just to kind of tone it down and make it look a lot more seamless. Like, I'll do half my face and I'll show you the difference it makes. So as you can see, this looks really nice and soft, and here it looks a little more harsh, and we like this side better. For blush, I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Ombre blush in the shade, there's no shade. Yeah, I think this is gonna be a little too light. Yeah, too light. Okay. I'm gonna go into my, of course, ABH blush kit in Radiance. This is like my absolute favorite. I don't even know if you can get this anymore, but I'm not sorry for continuing to use it. Peachy shade up here and a little bit of this darker shade. I'm just gonna tap that over my entire blush and contour area because I want it to look a little more seamless as well. I'm gonna take that Mecca Max Banana Bake setting spray and I'm just gonna spritz my entire face because I have used so much powder to get my face looking even. It's just ridiculous. Now, I don't know if it's just me that thinks this, but I feel like this smells like hair dye, like store-bought hair dye, and I'm not mad at it at all. I actually like it. So just before that dries, I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild highlighting powder in Mega Glow. Oh, I don't know. But this is what it looks like. Here it is a gorgeous, like, frosty pink shade. Oh, that looks beautiful. All right, let's pop some on. I'm gonna grab my fan brush. Okay, no, we're not using a fan brush. I'm gonna go in with my M510. Ooh. Oh wow. Okay, this is really pigmented. I like tone this down. Okay, so I'm gonna grab a pencil brush and dip into that highlight and pop this right in my inner corner. Oh yes, there we go. Okay, so lip products, I'm kind of spoiled for choice. I've got a few of these Girl Boss like liquid lipsticks from Astrology. I've got some of these liquid cat suits by Wet n Actually, I think I want to use these. I think I want to try some of these because these are metallic. I've never used a metallic liquid lipstick that is like a drugstore brand before. Shade Rebel Rose, that's kind of gorgeous. I kind of like that name. Doesn't smell like anything. It is literally the exact same component as a Jeffree Star or Sugar Pill or Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. Oh wow, that color is stunning. It's a little streaky actually, but that's a really pretty color. And then the other one we have here is a metallic, and this is in I Don't Desert You. So it's really pretty. And this is like a deeper reddish burgundy metallic shade. Oh, okay. Streaky. This is in the shade Satin Sheets, and it's like a gorgeous, this kind of reminds me of Malin Pigment from MAC, if you guys remember that shade. I'm pretty sure you can still get it. Let's see. Okay. That one doesn't seem as streaky as the darker one, but it's still not a shade that I'd kind of reach for voluntarily, if that makes sense. Oh wait, hold on, when you go to layer it, nah, she's streaky. Can you see that line in there? Yeah. Just realized my face looks kind of yellow, so I'm gonna fix that. When you find that that's starting to happen, that's when you wanna grab a lighter pressed powder. I'm using NC20 by MAC, and you just wanna kind of clean up under and around your face. You know what, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and use the shade Rebel Rose. This looks really, really gorgeous. I think we'll time this look perfectly. Okay, so this shade didn't go on as streaky as I thought it would, which I'm actually very, very impressed with, and it's drying down quite well. It's not as drying as I thought it would, but then again, I did just put it on, so we're gonna have to see. Okay guys, so it's time for my final thoughts and review on the range on the products that I use. Now, I just realized that most of these products are drugstore, except for a couple, they're more high-end, so I think I might name this video like trying out new drugstore makeup or something along those lines. So the eyeshadow palette from Astrology, honestly, a hit. These blended out beautifully, especially the black as well. Usually when you mix black with another shade, it can go really, really weird really quickly. But honestly, these blended out like a dream. The shimmers are really pigmented and they grip really well, which I was kind of surprised with. The Wet n Wild bronzer, it just did not work for me. I never use bronzers that have shimmer in them unless I'm wearing like no makeup and I need some life to my face. That's when I'll usually go for a bronzer that has shimmer because it'll warm up my face as well as give me a nice highlight. I don't want highlight where I'm gonna contour. It's just not how it works. So for that reason, I'm gonna have to give this a pass. However, the highlighter I'm obsessed with this. I'm wearing it in a corner, my brow bone, my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, my cheeks, my forehead, literally everywhere, all over my fucking face. And it's beautiful. This formula is really, really nice, super buttery, super pigmented, and a little bit went a really, really long way. So if you guys want a more inexpensive highlight, then definitely go ahead and grab some of the Wet n Wild ones. They're gorgeous. The Mecca Max Banana Bake Loose Powder. I really, really like this. I never bake. Ever. Because I just find that it makes my under eyes way too dry, really crusty, really crinkly, and it's just like not my gig at all. And I also don't like baking because I find that when I dust away the bake, it leaves a white cast under my eyes, but I feel like it also takes away some coverage from my concealer. I don't know why. Maybe because it leaves a white cast and it makes everything look worse. I don't know. But this, I'm kind of loving. Like, I'm not mad at it at all. I think there's only one shade in this. This is in the shade B2, but I don't know if there's like deeper shades. I'm not too sure how that works, so I will leave Mecca's website down below. Yeah, this really did not make my concealer look weird under my eyes after I dusted it all off. It just looked flawless, and I'm kind of more intrigued about using this on its own without the RCMA underneath, because I did use RCMA under me. Anyway, okay, I literally can't even speak English, I'm so tired. The Mecca Max Banana Bake Blurring Setting Spray. This smells really nice. It smells like hair dye. I actually like the smell of hair dye. I'm fucking weird, I know. But okay, so it says to shake well before use. Let's give this another go. Let's just give it another go right now. Hold the bottle 20 centimeters from face, and with eyes closed, mist 2 to 4 times in a T motion across and down. It doesn't say anything else. Okay, so I don't know how this is gonna be blurring. It doesn't blur your skin. Do I like the way it smells? Yeah. Do I think it sets my makeup nice? Yeah. Actually, does this have any alcohol in it? Hold on. Okay, this does have alcohol in it, so this is a setting spray. It will make your makeup last longer because of the alcohol in it. Is this worth like $27? I don't know. But I like it. I feel like my other setting sprays do the exact same thing. So do you need to run and grab this? No, but is it nice to have? Yeah, it's nice. It's a nice setting spray. I don't mind it. Okay, these lashes, Nikia. Girl. I am in love with these lashes. These are the Anna lashes once again, and they look gorgeous. They give a little bit more flair without taking away the drama, but also still looking and feeling really, really light and natural on the eyes. Like, these feel amazing. So Nikia girl, if you're watching, congratulations on your new line. I'm obsessed and I can't wait to keep on wearing these. Thank you so much. Last but not least, guys, we have the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in the shade Rebel Rose. Can you see how sticky that is? A lot of people won't like that. I, on the other hand, really like that, because what that means is that it's not going to go all weird. It's not going to dry out really, really matte and flaky and be a mess for me. It's actually going to just sit really nicely on my lips. I'm actually really excited to see how this wears. Now, it is currently like 9 PM at night, so I will wear this another day and let you guys know. The color is beautiful. I think it goes with this eye makeup perfectly. It complements my skin tone, makes my teeth look really white. It swatched a lot worse than it applied, which is very, very surprising because usually it's the other way around. But yeah. Anyway guys, that concludes this full face of first impressions, kinda sorta. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I know you want to at this point, like, just, like, what are you doing? Like, what are you doing? Hit that bell, because you know you want to come back. You know you do. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next one.